This is a neat little cleaning kit here. Telescoping, look at that. Close that up here. You have this is adjustable right here. You can unscrew this and this will rotate, okay? You can put all kinds of different attachments that it comes with on the top here. It has threads, okay? So now if I kind of close this up, I can lock each one of this and have this little duster here. Maybe you get up into some corners. We're gonna use one of these. This is like a really nice duster, right? This would be a nice duster for maybe a car. This would be like a window cleaner with that right there. And you also comes with, this is like a bucket. I haven't used the bucket yet, of course, but this bucket like folds up. You use like this basically like to wash a car if you wanted to do that. But now what I want to do is I want to kind of show you the way I've been using this to clean stuff in my house. So we'll put this back on. You have two different sides here. But what this thing does is this bends. So I can have this flat like that, or I can have it bent like so. So I'm going to show you like what you could do with something like this. Especially you have like a large foyer. Look at that. Look how far that is up there. What I could do is I can open this up, lock, and I'm only on 2. I can go all the way to my ceiling, right? But I don't need to. But what I could do here is I can dust up here because you could see all this when you're up in the 2nd story. All right, there's a cobweb up there. We'll get that out of there. And clean off the ledge. Yeah, so it's really nice for definitely a foyer, something like this. There's even something on the wall there I can see. You know, and you can use this outside actually to maybe clean some windows if you needed to. But yeah, very flexible. And the one thing I noticed is that this telescoping wand is very, very high quality. So you could use this on all kinds of things, even if you didn't use the attachments that it came with. It has big, comfortable, foamy handles. You know, it's all around. It just feels really good. So yeah, this is the entire package here.